everyone, it's Dr. Zelina here with AcuVida. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I'm a doctor of acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine. I practice integrative medicine here in Los Angeles, and I specialize in women's health, mental health, autoimmune, and spiritual integration. Today I want to talk about something really common that happens to a lot of ladies once a month, and that's painful periods. Painful periods, although very common, they are usually an indication of a bigger problem or a potentially bigger problem. Painful periods can look like cramping in the lower abdomen, painful low back or sore lower back, pelvic pain, vaginal pain, tenderness in the breasts, and other similar symptoms. Are painful periods normal? No. Are they common? Yes. Usually painful periods are an indication of a potentially bigger problem. Some of the causes of painful periods can be something like masses that are being developed in the uterus or in other parts of the yoni. It can include things like cysts, ovarian cysts, or cysts anywhere inside the uterus, fibroids, or any other types of masses such as tumors. It can also indicate, or it can also be caused by an IUD, an intrauterine device. It can also indicate beginning stages of endometriosis, which is a buildup of scar tissue inside the uterus, what we like to call old blood that gets built up and eventually can be diagnosed as endometriosis. Also can be caused by blocked fallopian tubes. When the fallopian tubes have a buildup of scar tissue, you can also have painful periods. And it can also mean, in Chinese medicine, we call it blood stasis. Blood stasis basically means blood that is stagnant, that is stuck. And blood stasis is a very simple kind of umbrella term for all of these different types of conditions: fibroids, cysts, tumors, blocked fallopian tubes, endometriosis, PCOS, and possibly other things, other conditions. So blood stasis in the uterus is very common, but no, it is not normal. And there are ways to manage and prevent it and possibly even reverse it. One of my favorite ways is to use Chinese herbs, or not just Chinese herbs, but different herbs. The herbs from Mexico are also very, very effective. Ayurvedic herbs are also very, very effective, and they're amazing. Another great way to manage painful periods is by utilizing acupuncture, which is something that I do. Acupuncture is a wonderful way to get the blood flowing and moving, and to help the uterus do what it does naturally, which is expel the uterine lining every month. Sometimes blood stasis can also be caused by a hormonal imbalance. If we have too much progesterone or too much estrogen, or any of those hormones, sexual hormones, may be out of balance. Acupuncture is a great way to help balance them out. So are certain herbs, nutrition, and lifestyle. Another amazing tip that you can do at home by yourself for painful periods is warmth. Warm foods, and actually applying warmth onto your lower abdomen, onto your womb during your menstrual cycle, because warmth helps to move, helps things flow. And when you have blood stasis, that means something is stuck, so the warmth will help. Warm foods, soups, and stews are also really helpful. There are so many other ways, and moxibustion is another one. That's something that I do here in the clinic as well. But there are so many other ways that you can help alleviate your painful periods. This is an area that I specialize in, and if any of you ladies need support, I would love for you to reach out to me. Contact information is below this video. If you found this information helpful, please share it, tag it, post it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful